What's going on, everybody? Here is another week at the Home Theater Hobbyist, and this week we have a pair of floor standing speakers from KLH. They are the Quincy's, and I'm really excited to get into this one, so let's get to it. First of all, if you are new to the channel, welcome. On this channel, you'll find things like unboxings, product reviews, product comparisons, and basically all things home theater related. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be alerted anytime we upload new content. So we got them in the house. Floor standing speakers called the Quincy's from KLH Audio. KLH is a brand that was revived back in 2017. These speakers were sent to us by Worldwide Stereo. They are a home theater retailer. They sell brands like KLH, Klipsch, Sony, Epson, Denon Marantz, Yamaha, SVS, basically all the major home theater retailers that you've heard of. So click that link in the description below so you can find out more about the products that they sell. But let's move on. Let's get to the floor standers. I really like floor standers. And in fact, I did a video about it, so you can check that out in the description above. But I like floor standers because they stand on their own. They don't need speaker stands. And I also generally like the way they sound over a bookshelf speaker. So I'm excited to hear these. As you can see, they are in this box, and they sent me two different boxes. I'm not really sure why, but honestly, I'm happy because you guys get a chance to see that they have the two boxes. You've got a traditional box that I'll cut open this way, and I've got this one that I cut down. Now, I have unboxed a couple of other KLH speakers. I unboxed the Ames and also the Windsor 10 subwoofer. KLH did a great job protecting those speakers, so I assume they did just as good of a job protecting these, so I'm looking forward to it. As you can see along the front, there are speakers. You will know it if you put it on your front porch, if it's left there, so make sure you're home or you have a neighbor pick them up so you don't have to worry about them being stolen. They weigh about 42 pounds shipped, so you may need a little help bringing them up the stairs. I was able to do it myself. Obviously, I was only able to do one at a time, but it wasn't too bad. But if you're worried about carrying 42 pounds, definitely get a little bit of help. Enough about that. Let's move on. Let's unbox these bad boys. I'm going to start with this one because this is just the more traditional unboxing where you just cut it open, kind of spin it out. But I am looking forward to getting it out of this one, but we'll start with this one. All right, well, the first thing I have is something that says a little notice that's got the specifications. It says KLH attention, as you can see there. And basically it's telling us how we want to unbox these. Okay, so what it's saying is that the spike kit is along the bottom of the box. So it's telling me that I should remove that from the bottom of the carton first, and I'm looking at the top of the box, so I need to flip this over. There it is, the spike kit. This is for the spikes that you can put on the bottom so you can kind of dig them into your carpet if you have carpet. I'll unbox this in a little bit. Okay, so now I need to flip the box over and pull it out from that end. Well, there you go. You can see what I can't see, but there we go. We've got, man, this thing is packaged really, really well. You've got side impact protection, plus you've got foam all the way around. So KLH has definitely done a great job packaging these speakers. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this tape off and see if we can get one of these bad boys out of here. Well, there it is. First impressions, looks really good. The cabinet feels very, very solid. Has some decent weight to it. And you've got your two Kevlar woofers there along with your tweeter up top. KLH did a great job packaging this, as you saw there. They've got all sorts of packaging around it. They've done a really good job. Here's the ports. And here's another box. I'm not really sure what's in it. So let's open it up and find out what's in it. Oh yeah, makes sense. This is the grill. Came in its own little separate box that was off to the side right there. So that's how it looks, and it attaches with magnets. So let me go ahead, let me open this one and see what we got in there. Oh yeah, I forgot about the spike kit. Let me open that up. Nice. So you've got a spike kit that's got spikes there and some foam padding there. KLH does a really good job of packaging. I gotta hand it to them. Okay, so this is how this one looks in the box. Foam plug, grill, manual, this is also the spike kit. The Quincy has a frequency response from 28 Hz to 23,000 Hz and a sensitivity of 94 dB. It has an impedance of 8 ohms. It features one 6.5-inch Kevlar bass driver, one 5.25-inch Kevlar mid-bass driver, and one 1-inch anodized aluminum tweeter. It stands 37.5 inches tall by 7.75 inches wide by 14.75 inches deep, and it weighs 40 pounds. So there you have it, the Quincy's from KLH. In the box you get the speaker, the grill, the spikes, the port plug, and the manual. Basically everything you need for these with the exception of speaker wires. I like the way these look and I'm really looking forward to hearing how they sound because, well, for one thing, I like floor standing speakers. So expect to see my full review in about a week. If you want to purchase these or anything else from Worldwide Stereo, click those links in the description below because they also help support the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. We'll talk to you next time.